I don't like that candle behavior on US 30. It's very hesitant coming above that zone. Yep. Just don't want to get faked out here. 'Cause this is a fat candle. I like to wait for this new candle to open. We get another push. I like how Nasdaq's still pushing up.
Order filled.
I try it. A little risky. We'll see what happens. Nasdaq's still pushing up very nice. I think at 1 to 1 I'll go half. Okay, I'm half. TP1 hit. Okay, I'm even. Granted, I did get in a little late, but I wanted to wait for that push up on the new 5-minute candle opening after retracing down here. Okay, just push up. Fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly like an eagle. Right there. Come on.
Order filled.
Order filled. Yes, sir. Bang, boys and girls. Little 1 to 2 hit today. This did end up going to hit a 1 to 5, more than a 1 to 5, a 1 to 6R. I got out at a 1 to 2, just due to the fact that I am in one of my evals right now, just trying to pass this quick. You gotta have that consistency rule of 50% of your total profit or whatnot. So I have to make 1,500 twice.
The market is open.
What the hell? Market is open. It was always open. Okay. Well, yeah, you have to make 1,500 twice to pass the account. You can go slower than that, but I'd just rather risk 750 each trade, take 2 trades, pass the account, get funded, just a lot quicker. If you're new to trading, obviously I don't think you should do that, but just so I'm not stuck in an eval for a month, I can just get in and get out. I rather risk $40 or whatever it is for the eval, just to pass it quick so I can get into the funded. But let's go over this trade coming in to the market. So 910, I originally had my support zone right here. 910 came in, flew past that, so I brought it down to here. We did sweep out these lows. It didn't really make too much sense to me that we swept out these lows and then right after at 920 we got a bearish down candle. 925, a little up candle. 930 came in, flew, kind of was rejecting around this area. I decided not to get in due to the fact that I was being very hesitant. I didn't like the candle behavior. There was probably 2 opportunities where I could have got in. Probably would have got in right around here. I would have been stopped out from the pullback. So I wanted to wait for this next candle opening. So it did come all the way up here. So after we closed, I waited for this candle to retrace a little bit, retested these highs, pulled all the way back up, and I entered as we flipped bullish. So a little late, but my stop was still good, 30 ticks. Since my standard is still was below this zone, so I was happy with that, with getting in right here. So as you can see, we did take out these highs from last night. Took out those highs, we did retrace and then push back up, so I was confident this trade was going to go higher. I also was confident that we were going to go higher because Nasdaq was also pushing up. Had a good closure and then we continued to push up. So those two are usually correlated. So when Nasdaq is in an uptrend and pushing higher with good volume, I usually like to see US 30 do the same thing. And I knew we had all these imbalances and then potentially take out these highs, which it just did. Very simple trade. Obviously, I trade breakouts on the 5-minute time frame with good volume coming in. I like how I did stay patient and waited around because there was a few opportunities where I could have got in here and it did retrace every time. I just didn't like the candle behavior. It was up, came down. Very hesitant to push above this zone. And then when we finally did, we closed above, retraced, pushed back bullish. I got in. Yeah, that's kind of the trade recap. Just wanted to break this down for you guys. Peace.